Hi everyone, welcome to Page Interact. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to use the bulk messaging feature for Facebook pages. Go to Page Interact and click Create Account. Fill in your name, email, and password. Optional. If someone referred you, feel free to enter their username in the referral field, then sign up. Congratulations, your account is now created. Please check your Gmail and verify your email address. This helps ensure that if there's ever an issue with sending messages, you'll receive important notifications. Click Connect Facebook. Select the Facebook account you'd like to connect. Click Continue. You'll be given two options. Select the first option to connect all pages, or select the second option to connect specific pages only. Similarly, choose whether to grant access to all businesses or selected ones. Click Continue, then Save. After clicking Got It, you'll be redirected to your home dashboard, where your connected pages will appear. Go to the Bulk Messages section. Click New Bulk Message. Here you'll find several options. Message type. Choose between text or image upload. Scheduling. Enable this to schedule messages for up to 7 days in advance. Username command. Use this option to personalize messages by including each recipient's username. Note: disabling scheduling will send the message immediately. Select the appropriate tag for your message. Click Send Messages. Depending on your selected options, Page Interact will handle the delivery accordingly. If your message fails to deliver, you can click Need Help to get in touch with us. Every new account gets 2,000 messages by default. To check your remaining message count, click your profile icon, then go to Stats. Want more messages? Click Get More Messages to view our subscription plans. Thanks for watching.